Try a new app today. The app is called Word Relax. Okay. Excuse my appearance. I'm working on it. So, basically with this app, I'm reviewing this app. To let you know a little bit about it before you install it. I think I'm gonna do something like this from now on. Just a review so that you can understand something before you install it. Okay, so let's see. Pick my gift. I'll collect that. Sounds nice. I want to go ahead and connect to Facebook, get 200 more coins. Depending on your connection speed, I see. It'll take a little second here. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, but I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my Wi-Fi and see if that makes a difference. Let's try it again, since I know I probably changed my network connection. Look at that, instantaneously. So I guess Wi-Fi makes it go slow, but go ahead and use it on your 4G. All right. I got another gift there. Now, before I start something, I always always look to see if they're offering money, what are they offering, how much they're offering, right? And also, how long is it going to take me to get there? And what are these coins and what can they cash out for? So I'm going to hit this cash button here. Balance, $0. 3 levels to get more. You have to go through 3 levels. Okay. Excuse me, you're playing a game. Because in the beginning of anything, you want to know what your exit strategy is. If you're getting money, you want to know at what point do you get paid. So I always see that first, because you need to have $20 to exchange an Amazon gift card or cash out with PayPal. Okay, so we're gonna get to $20. Let's get to $20. I'm gonna push this button anyway. You need to have $20 to exchange. Okay, exchange. You need to have 20. Okay, all right, cool. 3 levels left to get more. So let's get to 3 levels. We're on level 1. Let's go. Solved. Let me make this smaller. Solved by 99.9% of players. Okay. Am I being timed? No time. Okay. Level 1. Never played this, so. Huh. What? What do you want me to say? Act. I wonder if they make you wait a whole nother day before you can play again. Gosh. Let me pause this, guys. Yes, my hair's a mess. Excuse me. Okay, that's a little better. I feel a little better. Okay, here we go. Okay. Thanks, that. Money's going down. You see the money, right? Let me watch some ads. But the money is going down. That's funny. I mean, they got talk. But yeah, the money's going down. Realize that. It's not going to be $5, $5, $5, $5, $4, $1.50, $1. It's going to dwindle down, so you're going to get to like what? $19.99. You got to cash out at 20, but it'll never get to 20. It's just like, and you got to do all this stuff. I just don't like gimmicks. I try them so that you don't have to try them. Okay? I value my time, but I'm trying to give you value by helping you value your time as well. So I'll go through it, this whatever this is, to figure it out. But I'm not fooled. All right. You know what? Just because I'm watching ads don't mean y'all have to watch ads.